Quilts aren't just to be put on beds as covers. Stick around and I'll show you how to hang a quilt on a wall. Hi, I'm Kelly, and welcome to Handy Paisa, a channel full of handy tips. If you like what you see, please click the subscribe button now. It'll help me grow this channel and allow me to keep posting videos like this one. Though there are several ways to hang a quilt on a wall, like using curtain wire or curtain rods, in this video I'm going to show you how to hang a quilt on a concrete wall using curtain rods. You can use these tips on any wall, just make sure you choose the correct anchors for the type of wall you are hanging the quilt on. The first thing I did was measure the width of the quilt to see how far apart the end brackets need to be from each other. Next, you want to check to see how tall the quilt or curtain is. I got lucky. The tape marking where the teacher wanted the quilt to be hung was the right height. The brackets I'll be using are these Znonox 30 to 120 inches wide curtain rods. Assembly was easy. Threaded ends requiring a few turns to connect each piece together. Though advertised to be just glued to the wall using the 3M sticky backing, I chose to drive a screw through the bracket to an anchor in the wall for extra stability. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can buy one of these brackets. I decided to hang the brackets right outside of where the quilt ended. This ensured the quilt was not going to get in the way of the rod fitting in the bracket. The trick to hanging level curtain rods, once you know how high and wide you're going to hang the curtain or quilt, is to put the rod in the bracket that is fastened to the wall, and while free holding the bracket for the other side, put a level on the rod and level the unfastened bracket. Then mark the holes using your preferred marking tool. Using my hammer drill and a masonry drill bit, I made holes large enough to drive the plastic anchors that came with the curtain rod into the wall. With the quilt not being all that heavy, there was no need to use concrete anchors. Once I had both end brackets in place, I took the rod and threaded it through the hanging loops of the quilt to see where I could hang the middle bracket at. There was a gap in the middle of the quilt loops to access the rod without any fabric getting in the way. Let me know in the comments if you've hung any quilts on a wall and what fasteners you ended up using, or if you have a question regarding what brackets or anchors to use on your wall. That's it! This beautiful music quilt is being displayed much better than folded up and tucked away on a shelf. And the brackets worked out great. With their near flush design, they allowed the quilt to sit on the wall just right. If you liked this video, gently tap the thumbs up button. It will help this video reach more people. Thanks for watching. See you all later.